If your Android phone keeps saying storage is almost full, don't start deleting your apps yet. There are a few things taking up space that you can check first. I'm going to show you exactly what to look for on your phone. First, let's find out exactly what's using your storage. Open your settings, go to storage, and look at the categories. Don't guess where the problem is. Let your phone show you. The first thing I recommended checking is junk and temporary files. For this, I'm using Files by Google. Open the app, tap Clean. You will see different recommendations for the files you may no longer need if you see junk files here. Check what is being removed before you confirm. These are normally temporary files, but remember, once you delete files, they may not be recoverable. The next thing is to check your largest files. Sometimes, one video or download can take more space than several apps combined. Look through the list and remove only files you know you don't need. Now check your downloads folder. Old videos, documents, APK files, and other downloads can stay there for a month without you noticing. Another easy place to check is unused apps. If you have applications you haven't seen open for months, you can consider uninstalling them. And if you ever need one again, you can reinstall it later. One more thing, don't confuse storage with RAM. Storage is where your photos, videos, apps, and files are kept. RAM is what your phone uses while running programs. So if your problem is a storage warning, closing random apps isn't the main solution. Now go back to your storage screen and check the difference. The amount you can free depends on what's actually taking up space on your phone. So don't expect the same result as everyone else. Another way you can free your space is through Zinda application. So search for it on Play Store. Then you open it if you don't have installed it. So once it has opened, scroll there up to Files. Then check on the big files. So you can also click any one you know you are not using anymore. Then click on Delete to free up space. This is the fastest way, more reliable also. So let me show you the storage we freed. Now if your iPhone has another annoying problem, tell me about it in the comments. I might test the solution and make the next video about it. And if this helped you, subscribe because we are solving more Android problems. Thanks for watching.